Let's read a book with Teacher Clau. So, come on, let's start. Today we are going to read Sam, the Sneezing Scarecrow. Poor Sam. All he ever wanted was to scare the speaky crows. But if we went too close to them, he'll get an itchy nose. His friend will sneak behind the birds and they their hollow boo. But Sam will give himself away when he cried out, "Hashoo!" He never could get near enough to scare the birds away, so he left to find another job. It was the only way. He traveled down a country road and wondered what to do. He passed some birds along the way, which made them go shoo. He walked until he reached a farm and asked if he could help, but when a sheep tried eating him, he scurried with a yelp. So he became an astronaut. He even went to space, but bits of hay kept falling off and floating around his face. He tried to be a lifeguard, but was a silly wimp. How can you rescue people when you don't know how to swim? He tried to pen a book to share the stories of his plug, but Scarecrow have no fingers, so poor Sammy couldn't write. He carried on in search of work till one November day, when someone said, "Please come with us, we need a man of hay." But Sam ran off when he found out it was a bonfire night. "Do not come near me with a flame. I won't be set alight." Eventually, he realized just what he had to do. It's time I went back home again, he ordered, feeling blue. But when he reached his former field, a change was in the air. Some bigger crowds had come to town, and they were hard to scare. All huddled in a corner in a rather sorry state, his scarecrow friends were being picked. Oh, what an awful fate! Sam crouched behind a wall to think, although he was quite scared. But when his nose began to twitch, "I've got it," he declared. The big mean crows puffed out their chests and strutted around the place. They laughed as they ate all the crumbs running in each scarecrow's face. "Don't even try to stop us. There's nothing you can do." But in the midst of mocking them, there was a loud "Achoo!" The biggest crow seemed caught off guard and looked around in fright. "That sounds like Sam. He must be back." Sam's friends said with delight. "Who's Sam?" the anxious bird cried out. "We shouldn't hang around. He's got to be a dreadful beast. Just listen to the sound." "Achoo!" Sam's booing mighty roar, scaring off the birds for good. They squeaked and screeched and flapped away as quickly as they could. "Oh, Sammy," said his grateful friends, extending massive hugs. "We're happy you're back, dear friend. You saved us from those thugs." "We knew you had it in you, Sam. You truly are the best. For none of us could scare those crows. We are really impressed." From that day on, Sam always had a grin upon his face. At last, he found the perfect job. At last, he found his place.
¿Te gustó esta lectura? Pues dale like y suscríbete al canal. Recuerda que tienes una lista de reproducción donde encontrarás más de 200 lecturas para practicar el idioma inglés. También tenemos otras listas de reproducción como vocabulario, tiempos verbales, phrase verbs y demás. Así que hazle clic en la campanita para que no se te olvide ninguna notificación que yo haga. Ahora, si quieres clases de inglés con Teacher Clau, pues entra a www.teacherclau.com y encontrarás todos mis cursos. Así que nos vemos muy pronto.